You will be super amazed to discover how much some persons are making on Amazon KDP creating super simple books. Books that can take you like an hour or 2 hours a day to create. And you don't need to be a professional to create this book. And they are recording, generating consistent profits above $1,000 every single month, creating simple books, low content books. If you are yet to start Amazon KDP, you need to consider starting Amazon KDP. And you do not need to be a professional writer to start creating books on Amazon KDP. When I started, I didn't know anything about writing, but I have not regretted it. I've been publishing on Amazon KDP for many years now, and I will tell you that it's something you need to start, something you need to try. Honestly, a lot of people are making a huge amount of money from Amazon KDP every single month. Take for instance, this is a bestseller rank chart of a self-publisher, an independent publisher. This is a 30 days bestseller rank. Bestseller rank is an indication of demand for this particular book published by this individual. And when a bestseller rank is down, it shows that demand is up. And when a bestseller rank is up, it shows that demand for the book has reduced. Judging with a bestseller rank determine a demand for a book, you will be considering a bestseller rank of 300,000 or below. It shows you that that seller is actually recording at least one copy every single day. Now, checking this bestseller rank charts from 11th of May to date. Okay, this is as at 11th of May, as at 12th of May, the bestseller rank was 39,234. Is a good sign that this seller started recording sales from the first day of the month till last day of the month. This is a 30 days bestseller rank chart, because on 12th of May it shows 39,234, and when you come down to date, it's showing 27,923. It shows that this person is actually recording sales every single month. Using this bestseller rank to determine how much the estimated royalty of this seller, you will be amazed. Now, with the bestseller rank of 27,923, let's check. 27,923. This seller is recording 10 copies per day, 300 copies per month, estimated royalty $38 per day, and $1,155 per month. A self-publisher. So this is an indication that this seller is actually recording. So this is just one out of many who have created this particular niche I'll be talking about in this video. So if you are looking for ways to increase your monthly earning on Amazon KDP, you have been publishing different low content books and you have not been able to record sales, kindly watch this video to the end. I'll be revealing the niche this seller is using to record these sales, and I'll show you how you can do yours. I'll use real data to analyze this niche and show you why this niche is going to generate sales for you when you create this niche. It's a book idea you need to try. This is a general niche, and under it you have different book titles. So I'll be analyzing that in this video, and I will show you some sellers who are also making similar amounts and those who are even making way above this amount this seller is making. Before I go further, you are welcome to my channel. If I haven't welcomed you and you're seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either Amazon KDP or it can be through other online platforms. So if you resonate with this type of content, all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Now, the niche I'll be talking about in this video is called outdoor activity planner. This is a niche, and under it, you have different titles. I'll be showing you why this niche is profitable. I'll show you that this niche is both profitable, less competitive, and high in demand. The first analysis, the chart, bestseller rank chart, is just one out of many. I'm going to show you other sellers' bestseller rank to show you that there is demand for this niche. So this is outdoor activity planner. Under it, you have outdoor toddler activity book. You have the ultimate 1-year-old activity book. You have different titles, but the general niche is outdoor activity planner, and this is an evergreen book, like it is always in demand. It can be classified as both evergreen and seasonal, so this book is always in demand. For it can be for kids, it can be for adults, depending on how you want to craft your own. You can do it for either kids or for adults, but this niche is always in demand. So usually when I want to check in a niche to determine its profitability, I always consider three basic things. But when I'll be checking total search results using Titan Preview will show me how competitive that niche is. If it is a niche that is highly competitive, there is no point creating a book under that niche, because that means that my book will not be seen and it will not be sold. The essence of publishing a book on Amazon KDP is so that your book can be seen and be sold. And if it is a niche that is already saturated, the chances of having your book rank high on the first page of Amazon Kindle store might be very, very difficult. That is why you need to consider competition of a particular niche before creating any book on that niche. So checking competition here, the competition is relatively low. It's still within 1,000, though not less than 1,000. It's giving 1,358, which is still within 1,000, slightly above 1,000. It shows that though there is competition for this particular niche, but the competition is relatively low. So there is still opportunity here. Anyone can create and publish on this niche. Now, the second thing I will also consider is keyword search to determine if people are actually searching for this keyword. There are certain keywords you will search for, it will show you 0. But in this case, this niche is this score is given 71, and when any score is from 50 and above, it is a good indication that people are actually searching for that niche. So this particular niche score is given 71, which is very, very good. And the last thing I'll be checking is demand. To determine demand for this niche, I'll be checking bestseller rank of books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle store. When I see about 3 books with bestseller rank of 300,000 or below, it is a good indication that there is demand for that niche. So now, having determined competition using total search results and having determined the keyword search using niche score, I'll go ahead to check demand. Okay, the first book I'm seeing here is giving bestseller rank of 34,777 in all books across Amazon KDP. In other categories where this book can be found, is ranking 34 in children's campaign books, ranking 43 in family activity, is ranking 116 in baby and toddler parenting. So you can see that this seller is actually making sales, recording sales every month. This is the first person, this is another person, and this is giving bestseller rank of 50,897. Is a good indication that this seller is recording sales. This is another one, the bestseller rank of 195,174. You can see that these bestseller rank are below 300,000, which is a good indication that these sellers are recording sales. This particular niche is usually in high demand during summer, and we're about entering summer season. So it's a book you need to consider creating. All right. You can see that there is demand for it and it's relatively low, which means that there is still opportunity to create this book. It is not yet saturated. You can go ahead and create on this book. And I'm going to be showing you the interior aspects of this book to show you that it's something very easy to create. You can do it as a planner or as an activity book, depending on what you want. The three factors have proven that this niche is both profitable and high in demand, and you need to try it. So I'll go ahead and show you the interior aspect of one of them to show you that it's something you would love to try. So this is the interior aspect of this. The name is Ultimate 1 Year Old Activity Book. So when you scroll down, you will see what the interior looks like. They didn't give the whole sample of the book, but from this particular sample given here, you can see what the book looks like. There are a few drawings and list of names, few words, few drawing. This is something I can create with ChatGPT, using ChatGPT. All right, so I'm going to show you another book. Like I said, I can do this as a planner or as an activity book. This is another one, the Ultimate Toddler Activity Guide. So this is the interior aspect of this book. The whole book sample is not given, all right, but from this particular sample given, you can see what the book is all about. Variety of fun activity. The toddler will have the opportunity to explore 19 different learning themes such as baby part, holiday, ocean, sunset, spelling names, and many more. So this is what the book is all about. It's not difficult to create. It's something you can generate using ChatGPT, and you just use Canva to create this. All right, I'm not going to go into details on how you can create this book, but if you want me to make a full tutorial video on how you can do this, leave that in the comment section. This is a niche worth trying this summer season to increase your monthly earnings on Amazon KDP. That will be all for this video. Let me know if you will try out this niche in the comment section. Till I see you again in my next video, thank you for watching.